This is an installation guide for Lighting for Impact's Q channel LED. Once you watch this video, you'll know all the tips to be able to install in 1, 2, 3. While installation of the Q channel is super simple, there are a few pointers before getting started. First, you will not be able to install the entire channel in one motion. Too much force will be required to do that. Secondly, understand you cannot push the channel into place. You'll just end up lifting your shelving and causing an issue with the products. To properly install the Q channel, first take the back edge of the Q channel and hook it around the shelf. Then take your Q channel and slide it all the way to the edge of the shelf. At this point, no force is needed, just make sure that you have it properly placed. Now we're going to use a squeezing motion to squeeze the Q channel into place. To do this, take your fingers and put them on the back side of the shelf. Then use the palm of your hand to squeeze the bottom of the Q channel up into place. When done properly, the first several inches will latch into place. Slide your hand down and repeat the squeezing action. Do it again, and then finally on the last section, it will just snap into place. Next, take your cord and plug into the pre-installed power strip. Use magnetic wire management clips to hold your cord up out of the way. And installation is that easy. If you have any questions, give us a call or check us out at lightingforimpact.com.